Come on in, welcome to my home. It is time for spring cleaning. And I'm going to tell you right up front that what you're going to see is not going to take place over one day. Normally I do all of my fall or spring cleaning in one day. This time, life is just going to get in the way, and so that's not going to happen. So this takes place over several days. Also, you need to check out some other videos that I have, because I will not be doing the kitchen. That video's already been done. Click that eye in the sky, and you won't see me do the closet. That's already been done. Eye in the sky again. It's also linked down below in the description. I will give you all the tips and pointers that I have that help me go through this really quickly. So you will see this video, which has all the tips and pointers of cleaning my house, but there will also just be a plain speed through, which will just be me cleaning without the tips and pointers and all those sort of things. This is going to be a lot of fun. And another disclaimer. I just cleaned my house. I just cleaned my house with the idea that I knew I was going to be spring cleaning. So that makes a whole lot of difference. The first tip I can tell you is plan ahead. When I cleaned my house, I took down all of my February stuff. It's all down so that way, and nothing else went back up, so that way I have less to take down. That would make sense, right? The next thing is completely empty out everything that you can out of a room before you start cleaning. I'm going to be taking drawers out, that sort of thing, emptying cabinets before I start cleaning so that way I can just clean everything. And it will make life so much easier. Now, when it comes to my bedroom, I will not be organizing those drawers because that's a whole nother video. You'll get to see that later on. But I will be doing other things. Bathroom never got messed up. So yeah, and so this is going to be a lot of fun. First thing I'm going to do is my bathroom. I'm going to do this in the order of bathroom, bedroom, most likely kitchen, most likely dining room, living room, and then the office, laundry room, then the office. This is going to be the interesting one. But let's get started with the bathroom. Once I have everything out of the bathroom, I'm going to wipe down everything which is going to go back into the bathroom before I start cleaning it. That way it'll give it an extra chance to dry before I have to put it back. So let's get everything wiped down.
And fail to mention the extent of your bad deeds. And there's a time to cry, a time to let it go. And there's a meaning why it's not supposed to show. Don't you know where you belong? I will ride with you and show you all along.
I should explain what cleaners I'm using. There are videos linked down in the description which are for my Dawn vinegar cleaner, and then I'm also using peroxide, that's in the clear bottle. The Dawn vinegar cleaner is in the metal bottle. Those are the two cleaners I'm primarily using. And yes, I'm one of those people who every time I use a rag or something, I have a tendency to switch it out when I go to the next room. So yeah, you'll see a lot of rags get changed there. Maybe I'm a germaphobe, but hey, yeah. I also realized that, wow, my house is dirtier than I thought it was. That's strange. Okay, so the bathroom is done. And I get it. When they designed this condo, they had no idea that somebody would try to film themselves cleaning their condo bathroom. Well, I can tell you that the things which you didn't get to see was me doing the woodwork and doing the walls, because I just couldn't get a good camera angle of that. But everything is done, the bathroom is clean. I'm not putting, like I said, I'm not putting up any decorations yet, simply because it's not time yet. So now I'm going to go on to my next room. It's the first thing in the morning, and so I thought I would start off in my bedroom. If you are doing anything, moving, that sort of thing, the first room that you want to tackle is your bedroom, because then if you don't get things done, at least you have somewhere to sleep. First thing you want to tackle is your bed. Now there are two things I need to tackle today. First is I need to wash my bedspread and I need to wash my curtains, cause guess what? It's snowing. Mother Nature wanted to make sure that we knew winter wasn't over. It's not over yet. It won't end until like March 21st. But I want to get my curtains and shears washed. I want to get my bedspread washed. So we're going to do that right away. Then we'll tackle from the top down. Ceiling light, wipe down the walls, woodwork. Luckily, I'm dealing with a room that has already been cleaned. That's another thing to think about. Plan ahead. I just cleaned the house, so I don't have to worry too much about cleaning, like vacuuming all the floors. I just have to worry about vacuuming the things that I can't normally get to. I'm going to try to take everything out of this room as much as I possibly can, so then I can clean easier. The bedroom is done. I didn't show you everything in the bedroom, not because I'm trying to hide it, but because I need to move walls to show you. I did the woodwork, did the walls, wiped down everything, put everything back, and it looks basically like it did before I did that. The one thing I am finding right now is it is clean. I am like absolutely surprised at how clean the house is right now. So let's start on the living room.
I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide from this thing. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark.
Okay, I will be 100% honest with you. I am struggling with this spring cleaning. Not for the reason you might think. It's not because my house is so dirty I am struggling. No, it's literally because my house is so clean I am struggling, because it's hard to keep going when I am cleaning like nothing. I'm cleaning nothing. I wiped down my walls and nothing. Baseboards, nothing. Yeah, so I'm cleaning nothing, and it's really hard. I'm going to have to tell that in the spring cleaning video that, you know, cleaning every week really does pay off, because I'm spring cleaning nothing. Yeah.
You got me breathing now. Breathing now. Doesn't matter where I go. Heart still open, cannot close. Baby, got me breathing now. Breathing now. Welcome to this one-way ride. We're all on it. Got to give it a go. All we got is hope. Don't you know? Wipe the floor of yesterday. You can change it anyway. And you're never alone, never alone. Doesn't matter what they say. Doesn't really matter what they do. Let go, baby, let me breathing now. Let go, breathing now. Doesn't matter where I go. Heart still open, cannot close. Let go, baby, let me breathing now. Let go, breathing now. Took my head out of the sand. We're all in it, better. Open your eyes, see the open sky. Don't you know? Shake whatever brings you down, all that ties you to the ground. 'Cause you're never alone, never alone.
the spring cleaning is done, and I showed you just about everything that I could possibly show you. Once we get into rooms like the office and the laundry room, two problems. One, they're really small, and two, the bookcases in the office, those get changed out enough that it's pointless to do the spring cleaning of them because, well, part of that gets changed out with seasons and when they get their new looks for each month, I guess you'd say. There will be a video where I will clean out the hutches, the one in the office and the one in the dining room, so that will become its own video. But the baseboards are clean, the material is washed, everything is clean. Cleaning up for spring is really easy, and I want to really stress this. This was so easy simply because I kept the house clean. So going through this was really easy, even though I did a lot more than what I had thought I would, and things were a lot cleaner than what I thought it would be. I hope this motivates you to get your spring cleaning done. There will be a video where I will put out the stuff for spring. So everything which is back up is just the bases. I have a basic look for the house, and then for spring we'll add on to that. What did you think about that? Let me know down in the comments. Hopefully this video isn't too long. I hope you enjoyed this, and now let's get on to our next project. And if you want to, you could also check out these videos that I picked out just for you.